like I said, I had people contact me just recently about how stupid can you be about trying to live off 1 acre or a quarter acre. They don't understand. You just don't go buy a quarter acre and all of a sudden you're going to be self-efficient. It's not called green thumb, people. It's called dirty hands. You got to get out there and go to work. Now, once it starts producing, you can supplement it with fish, chickens, or rabbits, whatever. And but yeah, you can't just take a quarter acre and go out there and say I'm gonna stay here and live off of it. It don't work.
Thank you.
I had one lady contact me and said I started my gardening in a 1-bedroom patio. That's all I had. 1-bedroom apartment with a patio. I think like 8 by 10. And she grew tomatoes, squash, eggplant, and even had a few sweet potatoes in pots on her patio. She wasn't living off the patio, but it helped.